Yo, hello everyone. Are you looking to monetize your Google Sites website with displaying ads? In this video, I will guide you through the process of adding ads to your Google Sites using Google AdSense. You will learn how to create an AdSense account, generate codes, and integrate them into your website. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So now guys, right after you created your you have chosen actually your own template. So let's open this for example. And here guys, you don't really have any kind of things that actually says that you can add ads. So there is nothing. But as you know, ads is all about embed code. But you have to know this that Google Sites is, for example, it's just here are ads, Google Ads approved on Google Sites. And here, as you can see, check the status of your AdSense. So can I run ads on Google Sites? AdSense is not allowed to be used on Google Sites. That's adding is evaluation. So you can't really add any kind of AdSense or Google AdSense specifically to your Google Sites. But you can try other resources. So let's search, for example, what kind of ads accepted on Google Sites. So what type of ads can you run on Google? Start your business with Shopify, for example. You can search ads, for example. Here we go. This has nothing to do with us. But in general, there is no kind of ads that are accepted on Google Sites. So unfortunately, you can't really get any ads on your Google Sites at the moment. And that has been like updated on 2023. So in case you were watching this video on 2023, unfortunately, there is no chance of you adding ads to the Google sites. But in case you have found any kind of ads companies, for example, let's search here for uh, like ads companies, advertising companies, for example, or monetizing companies. Here we go. You will not really have anyone that actually can accept Google Sites. The Google Sites is made by Google themselves, and they will not accept any kind of ads. But this is just only but in case you found, simply you can simply just go into the embed code, type the embed code over here, click on next, and you will have the ad on your website. And of course, you will get paid by the other platform that has suggested and accepted you as to monetize your website. So this is a part of how you can add AdSense or any kind of ads to your website on Google Sites. Otherwise, guys, unfortunately, it is a dead end. You can't really add any kind of sites to here. So this will never become possible. And this is some of the most famous Reddit posts on how to add Google Ads on your Google sites. As you can see, it is not possible, but you can use Blogger instead. So Blogger is actually accepts Google Ads, so you can use it on Blogger. The people who come here are using Google Site and want to know to use Google Site. If your search answer is going to be use Blogger, then you are not helping anyone. So yeah, because Blogger is kind of the oldest version of website, so people are not really into Blogger. If you don't know about Blogger, this is how it looks like. Let me just check. So here it is. It is not really that helpful. It has a really bad kind of hard to use, even though it looks pretty. But trust me, guys, it is very weird and hard to use. I made a tutorial about it in case you'd like to know more about bloggers. But yeah, it is like the old-fashioned website version. So yeah, here this is an answer. So yeah, I actually have been using Google Ads with ads from Ad Maven ad network for a few months. So this is a network that ad network that actually accepts Google Sites. So this is one of them that you can actually get the traffic from it and start using it as your ads provider and monetize your website using this Ad Maven. So this is one of the small categories of people that actually accept Google Sites. So maybe they do accept. It appears you have an ad blocker enabled. Let me just shut it down. Here we go. And now it works. So this is like the company that will help you make ads on Google Sites. But overall, I don't know much about it. It is not really a famous company, and I don't really trust any like random websites, especially when it told me that I have ad blocker. This is a no for me. But you guys can try it. You can have it, and here, if you click here, you can find all kind of different information about it. You can search for it, make a research, and in case you liked it, just click here, enter your full name, email, password, country, Skype, for instance, Messenger, and how did you heard about it. So here for about them. So here you can choose social, and then sign up. Paste your website right after that, and then you will get in contact with them in case they accepted you. As I said, the embed code is your solution. Other than that, there will be no solution for you to actually add ads on your sites on Google. And as you can see here, there is no actually new answers. These are all answers from 2 years. So literally, there is no need for you to search on on the social media about solutions on how to add ads on your on your Google sites. So in general, this is a dead end for you, for us, and for everyone. Google will not allow you in general to add ads on their Google sites, but there is some expectation exceptions as for AdMaven that if you contacted them and they accepted you in their launch in like platform, you will be able to actually add the embed code of their ads and monetize your website. So this is one case that you will be able in it to monetize your websites on sites Google.
And in
And
case, guys, you were really interested on somehow a way to figure out how to actually monetize your Google site directly or indirectly, these are some tips from ChatGPT. As it says for here, you can't really advise or advertise, I mean, or monetize your Google sites. But what you can do is simply try to make some affiliate marketing. So you can sign up for affiliate programs related to your website niche and promote products or services in your websites. So this is a way how to do it. The other way is by having sponsored content. If your Google site gains popularity and you have a lot of traffic and you got some significant amount of audience, you can make sponsor with famous marks. So once they get like payment or someone buys a product through your website, you will get a share from the payments. Donations are actually a way to also get promotions and get paid through your Google site website. You can just leave a button as I showed you in another video how to make a donation button using PayPal. Make sure to check that out. So this is a really good way to get payments and so your audience can help you out create more content. Finally, you have sell digital products. If you have a digital products such as ebooks, courses, or software, you can sell them through your Google Sites, create some blogs and articles, make them look good, and you can advertise them through Facebook, TikTok, and people will come and buy this product through your website. So these are one of the ways that you can advertise your website using. Otherwise, any other company beside that I've told you, that will not be possible. And yeah, guys, that was pretty much it. I hope you liked this video and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.